our top 5 to please step forward. If I could have all of you ladies, please stand in a line.
The top 5, the reigning Miss Good, Marlene Ningwan Singh Paite, on stage now. It is time now for her final walk before passing the crown to the new Miss Good 2022. Ladies and gentlemen, we have our reigning Miss Good, Miss Marlene Ningwan Singh Paite. Marlene, you have set the bar quite high. In just a few moments, one of these contestants will have a big shoe to fill and a very new crown to wear. Miss Good 2019, Marlene Ningwan Singh Paite. Thank you. Music down, please.
Can we turn off the music, please?
Well, Marlene, you have set the bar quite high, and in just a few moments, one of these 5 beautiful contestants will have a big shoe to fill and a new crown to wear.
And to the honors to present our winners, I would like to call on stage our chief guest for the evening session, Pu Khem Chand, who is the Honorable MLA and Minister and Advisor to our Honorable Chief Minister Manipur. And I would like to call upon P. Kim Neo Haukip Hangshing to present the cash prize to our first runner-up. And last but not the least, I would like to call on stage Pu T.H. Arun Kumar, Honorable MLA, to present the cash prize to our second runner-up. I would request the remaining contestants, they could leave their stage now. Thank you so much, ladies. Once again, you all look gorgeous tonight.
I have just opened the envelope. The judges had a really hard time in choosing the winner.
So without further ado, we would request my co-host, I would request my co-host Sean to kindly present the winner. For second runner-up, please announce it. And to present the cash prize, I would request Pu T.H. Arun Kumar to kindly give the cash prize.
For the second runner-up of Miss Good 2022, please step forward. Rose, should I call it now?
Please do, Sean, because I'm really nervous right now. I can only imagine what these beautiful girls must be feeling right at the moment.
Okay, so without further ado, I'll call on stage. Please come in up front, second runner-up. Contestant number 15, Rosie Nyang Biak Moy. And to do the honors, please, Pu T.H. Arun Kumar to do the honors. Thank you, sir.
He would present the sash, the crown, the gift, and, of course, the big money. Congratulations! Let us all give a big round of applause for our second runner-up of Miss Good 2022.
Contestant number 15, Rosie Nyang Biak Moy. Take your walk second runner-up. We have Rosie Nyang Biak Moy, second runner-up, Miss Good 2022. We are one step closer. We are inching towards the crowning of Miss Good 2022. Thank you, Pu Arun Kumar. So to present the first runner-up, I would like to request P. Kim Neo Hang Sing, Honorable MLA, to do the honors for the first runner-up. The first runner-up, four beautiful ladies. One is going to be the first runner-up. Contestant number Churchanpur, contestant number 3, Vahoy Chong Haukip.
That is your first runner-up, ladies and gentlemen, of Miss Good 2022. Congratulations. Here's the sash and the gift, followed by the big money.
Your first runner-up for Miss Good 2022, contestant number 3, Vahoy Chong Haukip.
Both the winners to kindly move a little backstage, and the remaining 3 to please step forward. Churachandpur, everyone who is in Churachandpur, the final time is here, where we would know, or we would have, the Miss Good 2022. Any guesses? Any guesses? And to crown our winner, we have our reigning Miss Good of 2019.
Marlin Ning Moing Ching Paite, please step forward.
So here it is. Months of hard work and preparation. The time is here. I have the winner in my hand.
Finalists, the time has come. One of you 3 beautiful ladies will be crowned Miss Good 2022. Good luck to all.
And the winner of Miss Good 2022
is
any guesses?
Should I rather call it tomorrow? Should I rather call it tomorrow? Because my heart is pounding. Let's
Mine
call
too.
on stage the Miss Good 2022 Rose.
And our Miss Good would be presented with a cash prize of rupees 1 lakh, and that will be presented by our chief guest. The winner, ladies and gentlemen, is contestant number 16, Teresa Nyang Aisang.
Here we have, ladies and gentlemen, your Miss Good 2022 contestant number 16, Teresa Nengai Sang.
the Atomy team, a team member from the Atomy group, to present the prize. Ladies and gentlemen, here is your Miss Good 2022. Please give her a big round of applause. Mipisa Jose Kutbengute.
Your contestant number 16, Teresa Nyangaisang, the Miss Good 2022. Please take your first walk as Miss Good 2022. Churchandpur, Teresa for you, Miss Good 2022.
And we also have Team Atomy to do the honors of giving her a gift voucher.
Our Miss Good will be given a gift hamper by the Atomy team. This is the Atomy team presenting the gift hamper to our Miss Good 2022, Teresa Churchandpur.
Thank you so much, Team Atomy. There's another gift hamper to our first runner-up and our second runner-up, which has been generously sponsored by Atomy Care.
Thank you again. Our
Thank
chief
you.
guest would like to take a group photo along with the winners of Miss Good 2022. Your first walk as first